Your products may have features that you want to list. For example, if you're selling a MacBook computer, how big it is, mentioning width and height, how much it weighs, or what screen size it is. You could of course put this information in the product descriptions, but if you've got a lot of features that you want to list, the features option will be handy for you. Your products may have options you want to make available. For example, you might want a customer to select how much hard drive space they want, or how much RAM. To give products features or options, you first set them up and then you assign them to the product. A feature is something that you want to note about the product. It will appear in the data sheet on the front end. A product option is something that you want the customer to choose, for example, color or disk space. Setting up features is easy. Just click on the Catalog tab and click Features. To add a feature, simply click Add Feature. For example, height. You can also add features within groups by adding a feature value and applying that to a feature. Once you've set up the features, you'll now want to apply them to the relevant products. Click on Catalog and navigate the product you want to update. If you want to apply a feature you've set up, it's easy. Just click on the Features tab of that product and type in the feature variable. Setting up product descriptions is also easy. Just like the features, you must first set them up and then applying them to the product that you want. To set them up, just click on Product Options and then add the product option you want. Once your product options are set up, assigning product options to products is also easy. There are two different ways you can set up product options. Probably the easiest way is using the product combination generator. To use this, first navigate to the product you want to add the product options to, click Combinations, and click Product Combinations Generator, and then click OK when you get the warning. On the right-hand side, select all the options available with this product. To select multiple lines, just hold down the Control key and click. Let's say the computers that you're selling come in 80 GB and 160 GB. Buying the 160 GB option increases the cost by $100. Firstly, select the 80 GB option and then the 160 GB option, then click Add. The options will appear in the table to the left. Because we want the 160 GB option to add $100, we add 100 in the Price Impact column and then click Generate. Please note that the price you put in here includes GST. If you navigate back to your product and click the Combinations tab, you'll notice that all the combinations appear here. If you'd like to set one combination as a default, just click the star next to the combination. The other way to add options is to do them one by one. This will allow you to add some advanced options like altering your stock levels with each option or adding internal references. Using the same example as the 80 GB and 160 GB options, the first thing we want to do is to add the 80 GB option. Select Disk Space as the group and then select 80 GB and click Add. If you want any references to appear on this option, for example, product codes for your reference, enter them here. Because in this case, the 80 GB option doesn't affect the price, we keep all of the information as is. We also want this option to be the default option, so tick the default tick box and then click Add Combination. We now want to add the 160 GB option, which will increase the cost by $100. We select Disk Space and choose 160 GB, and then click Add. We now want to instruct the shop to increase the cost of the product by $100. We select Impact on Price, set to increase, and then enter the dollar figure. If you want to increase this price by $100 exclusive of GST, enter this figure in the exclusive or tax box. Otherwise, enter the figure in the tax included box. If you're using shipping based on weight, you can add the impact here also. The shop has some advanced features involving stock, but 99% of people will just leave it as the defaults. When you're done, click on Add this combination. You can edit your combinations at any time by clicking the Edit button next to the combination that you wish to edit.